Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have t and t. We can do about factorization. This one by number 1. Now we can do another factorization by y plus 2. This one we change by dy over dt. So dt I will put on the right, y plus 2 I will put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of y, we have y squared over number 2. This one we have 2y and I will put about c. This one we have ln of the absolute value of t plus 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.